Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and use TikTok aged new filter right over there. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay I will simply step into our video. So for that purpose, what we gotta do is let's go ahead open our TikTok first. Once the TikTok app is open, what you're gonna do is you can see this, like filter, this plus icon with a filter option right here over here. So if you go ahead tap on that particular option, this filter will be here. So what you can do is go ahead tap on this effect option, go ahead tap on the search icon given, and you will go to the search bar and type in aged, which is the name of the filter. So you can see the first one is the popular video. You can see 83.9k videos are under that filter right over there. Simply go ahead tap on that filter and you can go ahead make a video while using that particular filter over there. This is one method for you guys. If you don't want, you can simply go ahead, go to the search bar of your home icon of your TikTok and go ahead tap on this aged filter over here and search it up. You will be able to find all of this videos. You can go ahead tap on any of the videos and you can see they have used the filter. Tap on that filter and this will open up this kind of interface. Tap on this, use this effect, you're good to go. Again, you can make a video using that filter. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.